Hey guys, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Welcome back to the show. Thought I'd do something a little bit different for you guys today. So I'm gonna cook with a buddy, and I thought I better meet him on a place that he's a little more comfortable than me.
What's going on, dude? How we doing?
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me. Absolutely.
Well, Jarrett Stidham, NFL quarterback for the Denver Broncos. We both love to cook.
We do.
We thought we'd get together and do a little cooking video, but we don't know who's gonna do the cooking, so I came up with a little game.
Okay.
You throw me a bomb. If I drop it, I'm cooking for you. If I catch it, you gotta cook for me.
All right. I like my chances. Let's
go.
do it.
All right.
Go ahead.
This gonna be no problem.
I mean, I need more speed out of you.
This is a warm-up. Well, we're back in the outdoor kitchen. You're finally on my turf.
Finally. I mean, I've seen it in all the videos, so I'm excited.
Super excited you drove all the way out here. You live out in Aledo. You went and worked out in a whole other city, and then drove to Waxahachie. You got to check out our high school, and now here we are.
Here we are.
Let's talk about my route running. I mean, was my release? Like, was that?
I mean, we got some work to do. I mean, you are a Bama fan, so it makes sense. It's all right. We do live in Texas. We have a lot of time to train. You need to hit the field a little bit more, though.
All right, fair enough. All
I could probably say the same thing about my cooking, so.
That's why we're here. Welcome to the Guest Pitmaster series. It's been a while since we've had a guest, so I'm excited about this. So, you know, I caught the pass.
Well, are we gonna use the one from where you actually, like the 6 before you actually caught the pass?
I mean, I pay a really good editor. We're gonna say I caught it.
All right, that's fine, whatever.
So you get to cook for me.
Perfect.
So what we're gonna do today is I've been seeing this recipe called crack burgers, and love a good burger. We had burgers together at Dane's in Aledo, and so I thought we'd maybe make a burger that maybe makes Dane jealous, and this is what I call a next level burger.
Yeah, it looks next level. We got ground beef, cheddar cheese, bacon, and because we do live in Texas, we're gonna add sour cream and ranch dressing mix to it.
I've never had ranch in a burger.
I haven't either.
I'm here for it.
I'm here for it.
Well, let's mix it up.
Let's do it.
I'll give you some gloves because we're gonna get messy. I even brought Thermopins in your team's colors.
Look at you.
Just to be so inviting.
Wow, just Southern hospitality.
My man Jarrett's played for a lot of really good teams. From Stephenville, star out of Stephenville, went to Baylor, and then he went to another school.
The greatest university in the world.
Auburn.
Went
to go work with Tom Brady in the New England Patriots.
Yep.
Then went out to Vegas for a couple years, and now you're the quarterback of the Denver Broncos. Which, by the way, talk about hospitality.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good, dude. I didn't realize I got to get in the Meat Church Denver club.
Yeah, they're going to be excited about this.
I definitely got to hit them up whenever we get back.
All right, so we're going to mix all of this together. The recipe is always on meatchurch.com, which is down in the description. We'll also put the amounts up here for you guys to see, and we're simply just going to mix all this stuff up. I know that we're starting with 80-20 ground beef. I always say that that's my favorite ground beef for a burger. It's got enough fat in it to make it taste delicious. We'll put that on at the end, I think.
At the end?
But,
Okay,
yeah,
sorry.
No, hell, put it in now. Go for it. Sprinkle her up. I actually like your style.
Just a little bit.
You're the one cooking. I caught the ball.
That's right.
Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna mix it all up, and this is a pound of meat. There's 2 of us eating. We'll divide this into whatever you want. I think ultimately we're gonna divide it into 4 patties to make a double for both of us.
Perfect.
And we're gonna cook them on the griddle. So while Jarrett's getting that mixed up, we've got a Traeger flat rock set up, just cooking on medium heat, somewhere around 400 degrees. I'll just hit a little cooking oil on here, and we're gonna cook them like a standard burger. I like the crust on a griddle. I know you love to griddle. That's kind of why we agreed to do this.
Back in Texas for the off season, I do a lot of cooking because in season's just a little hard. But Saturday morning, big breakfast for the family, breakfast tacos, pancakes. So yeah, we like to just kind of switch it up, and it makes me feel really cool when I'm got a bunch of things on the griddle and that sort of thing. So
heck yeah, and now your family's growing, so you have
it is two under 2. So things are chaotic at the house, which is great, which is how it should be. But yeah, we love it.
That's awesome.
It's been a great off season. So
all right, so we're gonna divide this up, like I said, into 4 equal parts, and We're gonna make some patties and then get to cooking them.
Perfect.
I think Dane's gonna be jealous of these.
He might, yeah, I think so. Is smash burgers your thing when you're usually cooking burgers? Like, is this just completely out of the blue for you with the ranch and the sour cream? Like,
I mean, by the way, they smell like unreal with the ranch.
oh, they do.
Yeah, I love a smash burger because I just like the big time crust that you get off of that. However you do it, I think cooking on a griddle gives you the best burger, in my opinion. Ah, dang, you're a professional. Well, finishing this up, and we'll meet you at the griddle. All right, on we go.
There we go. Those
right.
they look good.
Heck yeah, they look good. And they sound good. This is a treat getting somebody to cook in my kitchen. This never happens.
Well,
my wife makes me cook every meal.
Well, she's the smart one.
This is a cheat day for you, so you got to get this unhealthiness out before you report back.
Yep, no doubt. This is okay though. This is good. I'm excited about this. Lots of proteins. It'd be good.
I kind of like medium rare, so I think we're gonna go, 3-4 minutes aside. But I always tell people with burgers, it's just whatever you like. Yeah. So we're gonna let them go until we kind of start seeing a little doneness out here, and then we're gonna flip them, and I'm gonna add more cheese myself.
Yeah, I'm all for it.
Perfect. All right, let's see how we're looking. Ooh, that's a good crust right there. I like to scoot it over to what I call new metal.
Okay.
I want to get a good release here so it doesn't fall apart. These are a little more sensitive than a traditional burger, I would say.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. You want to do those? There you go. Ooh, look at that crust. See, that's what I like. I like a hardcore.
You gotta have a
crust.
little bit of crunch.
There it is. We're good at this. If the football thing don't work out.
I don't know. Mine were starting to kind of fall apart a little bit.
That's all right. With all this stuff that we put in there, these aren't holding together like a normal burger.
Yeah.
That, sour creams, probably breaking down and melting out. So looks like we got to be careful.
Yeah.
It was super cool you took time to come down here.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you having me. It's funny. One of my closest friends in the world, David Andrews, center for the New England Patriots.
Georgia man.
Georgia guy, sadly. When I was up in New England, like us and his wife and his family, and we had some other family friends, we'd always get together, always cook. He had these seasonings, and I started asking him about them, and he started telling me, like, dude, you got to check these out, so on and so forth. And so that's kind of how I got, accustomed to you guys. And
Bear.
so shout out to David.
Huge shout out.
Yeah.
Most of my clients in the NFL are linemen.
That makes sense.
So I had to thank him for helping get me a skill player.
Yeah, for sure. No, shout out to David. He's great on the grill, and he uses your stuff religiously. So
that's awesome. Let's see how we're rocking in here. With 125, so honestly, they're good, but we got to cheese them. You can bring that whole board over here, and I know you toasted some buns for us already.
Yeah, toasted some buns, a little butter, a little 30-second toast, and we're good.
Perfect. A little cheddar cheese here on top. I'll tell you, doing cooking videos, one time we brought in like some sliced American cheese, like the singles, and we got torched. I didn't know that was a thing that, you can't eat the cheese we all grew up on.
Yeah, I know something about, people having opinions and stuff, so I totally get it, but.
Haters gonna hate.
Haters gonna hate.
What do you think? Think cheese looks good to me?
Yeah, it looks good. I'm hungry.
Well, let's do it. All right, crack those open. Good grief.
Yeah. That's a burger right there.
Yeah, it is. Man. Look at those. Whew. By the way, these are quite hot. All right. Well, that looks awesome.
Yep, those look great.
I got to get us some condiments and something to drink. Let these cool off.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna jump in.
Can't wait.
All right.
Look at those hands. Those are the hands I saw earlier. There you go.
Look at the hospitality continues with the team colored Yetis.
I appreciate that.
That's all the details.
Dude, Whataburger, ketchup, mustard.
We're in Texas.
We're in Texas. This is the only thing we have at our house. So I love the regular fancy ketchup, but I'm more of a fan of the spicy.
You like the spicy?
Oh man,
I like the spicy.
That's the
too.
best.
So what do you put on your burger? I didn't bring mayonnaise.
Dude, I'm straight ketchup.
Okay.
That's all I go with.
I actually go all three usually, but today I'm gonna roll mustard.
Just mustard. All right. Let's do it.
Well, yeah, with mustard you got to make sure it's patted down. Oh, or you get that right there.
Look at that.
All right, put that over there. Here we go. Well, it's warming up, so the flies are back in Texas. They know what happens in this kitchen.
Yeah.
Good God almighty.
This is crazy.
What do you think about that?
Not a bad looking burger.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good Lord. All right. You give your reaction.
This is up there on my Mount Rushmore of burgers.
Oh.
That's crazy.
We already got 80-20 meat, so appropriate amount of fat, and you added more fat with the sour cream,
Yeah.
that ranch addition, and there's cheese in it, cheese on it.
That's such a good burger.
What can you tell? I like, so you can see right there the crust that comes off the
Yeah.
griddle.
You get a little crunch. It melts in your mouth. This is, if you're at home, try this out. Really good.
Hey, thanks, Bear, for setting us
Yeah,
up with this
appreciate
stuff.
that.
Appreciate the introduction. I think David Andrews should make this.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna come to Colorado and
is
cook
awesome.
these for you.
Yeah, please do. We like to say we have an open door policy at the Stidham household, so you come on down whenever you want.
Well, hey, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Your subscriptions are how we keep bringing you guys these free videos. Also, we have a guest pitmaster series. Feel free to hop down in the comments and let us know who else you want to see in a video making these epic creations. See you guys next time. Bam.